Hello FoodTeenies and welcome to Bambino Chef. Today we are cooking recipes from Fun, Fast and Easy cookbook, and we decided to go with apple donuts. Here are our chefs that will be helping today. This is Chef Leah, this is Chef Viraj.
Hi!
Ready to do this today?
Yeah.
Excited?
Yeah.
So today we will need only 3 ingredients.
Apples, sprinkles, and peanut butter.
Now let's get started. First things first, we're going to grab our apple slices, just like this, and then we're going to grab our spatula loaded with peanut butter or almond butter, whichever you prefer, and we're going to spread it generously all over your apple slices. You're doing such an amazing job. Do you guys like peanut butter?
Oh my God, my hand. Yeah.
In this apple donut, sprinkles will give an amazing touch, and of course they will make your apple donuts super colorful.
Another dimension.
Exactly, another dimension. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to grab our sprinkles. Grab a very generous amount, 5-finger pinch, and sprinkle all over your donuts, just like that. What do you like the most about these donuts?
I really think that the peanut butter is going to be good.
Yes, absolutely.
That peanut butter and apple and tastes really good together.
Looks incredible. I think you both have done a fantastic job. Let's go ahead and grab a bite. There we go. So yummy.
It's really good.
Tastes really good.
I'm gonna take another bite.
Oh, feel free to eat them all. Enjoy them. And you know what's my favorite part about this apple donuts? Is that you don't have to bake them. So easy for kids to make them, right? And we are using fresh fruit, which is always a wonderful idea. And that's it for today's recipe of apple donuts. We hope you enjoyed making them with us, and we look forward to cooking with you very soon. Bye-bye.
Bye! That was funny.